Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered how our solar system came into being? This question has captured the curiosity of mankind for centuries. As we stand beneath the great expanse of the cosmos, we can't help but ponder the origins of our celestial neighborhood. Understanding the birth of our solar system is more than just satisfying curiosity. It provides critical insights into our place in the universe. Today we will journey back in time to explore the birth of our solar system. Our story begins not with a planet, not even with a star, but with a cloud, a cosmic cloud to be precise. This cloud wasn't just any regular cloud you'd see on a rainy day, but a colossal, diffuse mass of dust and gas suspended in the vast expanse of the universe. So, how did this cloud become the birthplace of our solar system? Let's delve deeper. Picture this cosmic cloud as a celestial soup, a mixture of various elements and compounds. Within this soup, the atoms and molecules are in constant motion, colliding and interacting with each other. But in this cosmic dance, gravity plays a crucial role. Gravity, the invisible force that pulls matter together, started to work its magic on our cosmic cloud. Slowly but surely, gravity pulled the dust and gas in the cloud closer together. As the matter in the cloud began to condense, areas of greater density started to form. These dense pockets of matter generated even stronger gravitational pulls, leading to a sort of celestial snowball effect. The areas of greater density grew larger and larger, pulling in more and more of the surrounding dust and gas. Over time, the cloud collapsed under its own gravity, forming a spinning disk. This was no ordinary disk, but a protoplanetary disk. The word protoplanetary might sound complicated, but it's pretty straightforward. Proto means first or early, and planetary refers to planets. So, a protoplanetary disk is essentially the first stage in the formation of a planetary system. This spinning disk of gas and dust was the stage upon which our solar system would take shape. Within this spinning disk, particles began to collide and stick together, gradually forming larger and larger clumps. These clumps would eventually grow into the planets, moons, asteroids, and comets that make up our solar system today. From this spinning disk of gas and dust, the seeds of our solar system were sown. And so, our cosmic cloud began its transformation from a diffuse mass of dust and gas into the complex and beautiful solar system we call home. In the heart of this chaos, something extraordinary was taking shape. As the cosmic cloud collapsed under its own gravity, the centermost region started to grow denser. This created a protoplanetary disk, a flat, rotating disk of gas and dust. At the very heart of this disk, a protostar began to form. The immense pressure and high temperatures in the core area initiated a process that would forever change the landscape of our solar system: nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is a process where hydrogen atoms come together to form helium. This is not a simple task. The forces of repulsion between these positively charged hydrogen nuclei are incredibly strong. But the intense pressure and heat in the core of the protostar are even stronger. They force these hydrogen atoms so close together that they begin to fuse, creating helium and releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This energy radiates outward, creating pressure that counteracts the inward pull of gravity. This delicate balance between gravity and pressure is what keeps stars stable. The release of energy from the core also generates light and heat. And with that, the protostar in the center of our protoplanetary disk ignited, giving birth to our sun. The sun's formation was not a quiet affair. Its powerful solar winds, streams of charged particles flowing out from the sun, swept away most of the gas and dust from the inner regions of the solar system. This cleaning process left behind only those materials capable of withstanding these intense winds, the building blocks for the planets that would later form. The birth of our sun was a pivotal moment in the history of our solar system. It marked the transition from a cold, dark cloud of gas and dust to a bustling system with a brilliant star at its heart. With the birth of the sun, the stage was set for the formation of the planets. From the remnants of the protoplanetary disk, a cosmic dance began. Picture this: a swirling mass of dust and gas, the leftover crumbs from the birth of the sun. This was the stage on which the planets of our solar system would take shape. But how exactly does a cloud of cosmic dust become a planet? It all starts with tiny particles. Like the dancers on our stage, these particles were set into motion by the solar wind from the newborn sun. As they whirled around, they began to collide and stick together, forming clumps. Over time, these clumps grew larger and larger, becoming what we call planetesimals. Imagine these planetesimals as the first steps in a grand planetary ballet. They were like dancers, spinning and twirling in the cosmic stage set by the protoplanetary disk. As they danced, they occasionally bumped into each other. Some of these encounters were gentle nudges, but others were violent collisions. With every collision, the planetesimals grew, absorbing their dance partners and becoming larger. This cosmic choreography continued for millions of years. The planetesimals became protoplanets, the embryonic versions of the planets. The protoplanets continued to grow, feeding on the remaining dust and gas in the protoplanetary disk. Their gravity became stronger, pulling in more and more material, but not all protoplanets were created equal. The ones closer to the sun, where it was hotter, were made mostly of heavy elements like iron and nickel. These became the terrestrial or rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Further out, where it was cooler, the protoplanets could hold on to lighter elements like hydrogen and helium. These became the gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And let's not forget about the dwarf planets like Pluto and the countless asteroids, comets, and moons. They're also part of this cosmic dance, each with their own unique steps and rhythms. Over time, the solar wind blew away the remaining dust and gas, leaving behind only the largest dancers, the planets. They continued their dance around the sun, following the paths carved out by their gravity. These paths, or orbits, are what keeps the planets from colliding with each other today. And thus, over millions of years, the familiar faces of our solar system were carved out. It's a dance that's still ongoing, with the planets moving in their orbits, asteroids and comets whizzing by, and new discoveries waiting to be made. The cosmic ballet of our solar system, with its dancers large and small, is a testament to the power and beauty of the universe. From a cloud of dust and gas to a bustling cosmic neighborhood, our solar system has come a long way. Today, it's a lively ensemble of 8 planets, each with its own unique personality, orbiting our one and only star, the Sun. In the inner solar system, we have the quartet of terrestrial planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Each one, a rocky world with its own set of wonders. Mercury, with its iron core and cratered surface. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds and possessing a surface hot enough to melt lead. Earth, our blue home, teeming with life and beauty. Mars, the red planet with its towering volcanoes and deep canyons. Beyond the asteroid belt, we have the giants of the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These gas and ice giants, with their rings and numerous moons, add a majestic touch to our cosmic neighborhood. Our solar system is also home to a vast array of smaller bodies, including asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets, each contributing to the rich tapestry of our celestial home. The uniqueness of Earth, with its life-sustaining atmosphere and water, sparks our curiosity and fuels our quest for finding life on other planets. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly reminded of how special our little corner of the universe is. In the vast expanse of the universe, our solar system is but a tiny dot, yet it is our home. So, when you look up at the stars tonight, remember the incredible journey our solar system has taken. We began with a dense, spinning cosmic cloud, a seemingly unremarkable speck in the vast cosmic tapestry. Yet within that speck, something remarkable happened. The birth of our sun, a fiery ball of gas, casting its light and warmth into the cold darkness. From this celestial birth, the planets took form, each one a unique world, sculpted over billions of years by forces both colossal and minute. Finally, we arrive at the solar system as we know it today, a harmonious dance of celestial bodies, each following their paths around the sun. In understanding this journey, we gain a deeper appreciation for our place in the universe. The solar system's story is our story, a testament to the power of time, gravity, and the laws of physics. And who knows, perhaps one day we will be the ones giving birth to new stars and new worlds.